Thank you for choosing ResMed's AirFit F10, the mask that offers full face benefits in a compact size. As you'll find out, it's easy to fit. With the AirFit F10, the cushion sits from the crease of the chin, and at the top, it's designed to touch your nose around here. Firstly, remove the elbow from the mask by pressing in the side buttons and then taking it off, so that you can easily position the cushion correctly. Connect the elbow to your device's tubing. You've got the mask the right way around when the ResMed logo on the back of the headgear faces outwards. Now, take off the lower headgear straps. Hold the cushion to your face, aligning the bottom with the crease of your chin. Now pull the headgear over. Undo the upper headgear's fastening tabs and adjust both straps evenly. The top straps only require minimal tension to achieve a good fit, so tighten them only enough to position them securely. Then refasten both tabs. Bring the lower straps below your ears and loop the headgear into the lower hooks on the frame, like this. Now adjust the lower straps evenly until the mask sits firmly yet comfortably. Then reattach. Now attach the elbow to the mask by pressing the side buttons and pushing the elbow in, like this. Turn on your device and make sure it's blowing air. Remember that AirFit F10's cushion sits from the crease of the chin, and at the top, it's designed to touch your nose around here. And the straps shouldn't touch your ears. Now lie down to make any final adjustments if required. And your mask is ready to use. You can also fit the optional soft sleeves provided. They just slide on like this. When they're fitted to your mask, they can help enhance comfort on the cheeks. ResMed has the hair management needs of women covered too. You can position the lower part of the headgear over or under your hair to suit your hairstyle preference. This video is part of a series of 3 for ResMed's AirFit F10. The other 2 cover cleaning and user tips. We hope you find them helpful. The AirFit F10 is unobtrusive by design and provides you with uninterrupted vision. So when you're wearing the mask, you can read, watch TV, and even wear glasses while your therapy is ramping up. Life starts with a mask that helps give you the sleep you'd like, so you can enjoy every day. And appreciate the simple things in life that are often the most rewarding. The AirFit F10 is part of ResMed's AirFit range, the right fit for you.